Hello students, my name is Abash Jaudin. I teach mathematics in Safia Boys High School and College. The topic for this video is permutation and combination. Permutation and combination is a very useful topic in mathematics, and it is also very useful in computer science and business related fields. A very common and practical example of permutation is unlocking a secret number lock. So permutation and combination both are used in our everyday life. I hope that this tutorial video will be helpful to you. Thank you. So students, permutation and combination are two different topics of mathematics, but they can be related with each other. As permutation is nothing but arrangement of elements in a specific order, while combination is collection of elements. The main difference between permutation and combination is of order. In permutation, order is very important, while in combination, order does not matter at all. So students, permutation and combination are two different topics, but they are related to each other. Permutation is nothing but arrangement of elements in a specific order. When you arrange different elements, the elements can be letters of an alphabet, the elements can be numbers. So but you have to arrange them in specific order. That's permutation. While combination is just collection of objects. That's it. Then the most important thing, the main difference between permutation and combination is of order. In permutation the order is very important, while in combination the order does not matter at all. For example, 1, 2, 3, the three digits are not same as 3 to 1 in permutation, but in combination the 1, 2, 3 is the same as 3 to 1. So the number of permutations are always greater than the number of combinations, as the order is very important in permutation. Okay, so let's arrange the letters in the word mat, M-A-T, mat. As you can see, there are only 3 letters in M-A-T, mat. So I can arrange them as M-T-A. I can also arrange them as A-T-M, A-M-T, T-M-A, and also TAM. So as you can see that I have arranged MAT, mat, in 6 different ways. So in the first place, all the 3 letters can be chosen. So I will write number 3. In the second place of the number, there are only 2 letters remaining, while in the third place only 1 letter remains. So the permutation, or the number of ways in which the letters in word mat can be arranged, we can write this as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is nothing but 6, or you can say 3 factorial. So 3 factorial or 6 is the number of ways in which we can arrange the letters MAT in the word mat. As there are 6 ways or 6 permutation of these letters in word mat, but there is only one combination in word mat, because in combination, as you know, that the order does not matter. So my next question is that how many ways we can arrange the letters in the word number. As you can see, there are 6 letters in the word number and all are different. So the answer of course would be 6 factorial, or we can write this as 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, and of course multiplied by 1. So when you multiply all these numbers together, the answer comes out to be 720 ways that we can arrange the letters in the number. The number of permutation of this word number is 720. This was another example of permutation. Okay students, now let's look upon the formula for permutation and combination, and let's see a problem related to it. Okay. So the formula for permutation is NPR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r the whole factorial, and the combination, the formula for combination is NCR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and there's an extra r factorial in the denominator. The difference between the formula in both permutation and combination of this the extra r factorial which is there in combination. The problem related to permutation is how many first and second place can be awarded from a group of six people. Here, as you can see, that the first and second place is a particular position, and here the order is very important. While let's look upon the problem related to combination. So how many pairs can be made from group of 6 people? So in pairs, the order, the pairing can be in any order. So therefore, this is a problem related to combination. So let's find out the answer for permutation. That is, how many first and second place can be awarded from group of 6 people. Let's calculate this problem by using scientific calculator. So in permutation, we need to find out what is n. N is 6. And what is R? R is first and second, so there are of course 2 people we are interested in, so 6p2. While in combination is also same, 6 is n, n is 6, and the combination, and of course we are interested in pairs. Pairs of course means 2 as well. So first let's find out 6p2. Let's use a scientific calculator app. We need to find out 6p2. So this is the formula. The formula is there. The formula, the calculator has written the formula. Now let's see how many ways we can arrange these first and second position in the group of 6 people. We can arrange them in 30 ways. So 6p2 is nothing but 30. So this comes out to be 30 ways. Now let's find out 6c2. Let's see what the scientific calculator tells us about 6c2. So 6c2, this is the formula for combination. 6 people we need to find out how many ways a pair can be arranged in a group of 6 people. This is the formula. Then let's see. Okay, the answer is coming out to be 15. As you can see, the answer here is coming out to be 15. So as you can see that in combination the number of ways is less than in permutation, because combination the order does not matter, while in permutation order is very important. Students, I hope that this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you for your time.